Now there are platforms who want to pay you to test websites for them, to answer little surveys for them, and perform the same social media tasks you do every day. Don't just take my word for it. We are going to be checking in this video if these platforms are real or they are fake. And before we jump right into the video, if you are seeing me for the first time, you are welcome home. My name is Norma Evans, and I drop videos around how you can increase your productivity online and how you can make more money in the internet. If you are just joining new, please go down there and click on that subscribe button and turn on bell notification, because I only drop valuable and wholesome videos on this channel and you don't want to miss out. And if you have not liked this video, go down there and smash that like button. Thanks in advance. Now with all this said, let's jump right into the video. I've done my thorough research. I've dig this platform hard for you so that you can start making money for it. So in return, like this video and share it to someone you know this video is going to be a blessing to him. So let's move ahead. This platform has over 23,000 reviews on Trustpilot. So any platform that is recognized by Trustpilot, you know that this platform is legit. And you also go ahead and check the legitimacy by yourself on Trustpilot. It has over 23,000 reviews on Trustpilot, and you know what I mean, guys. To register on this platform is very simple. You come over to the registration button right here. You register a free account with them and you start making money immediately. As you can see, make money online on the phone, computer or tablet. Get paid wherever you are without investment. See, everything under control. You can choose how you want to earn by playing games, completing survey, watching videos, shopping online, and creating account. All right. In just a month, you can earn up to $700, as you can see, without any additional taxes or charges. However, there is no limit to your earnings. There is no limit to your earnings. You decide how much you want to earn. They are telling you right now that you can earn over $700 with them. All right, if you have that time with them. Now you can get their app on Play Store, can get their app on App Store. You can go ahead and download their app on Play Store or App Store, and you can start making money with the app on your mobile phone. Now let's move over to the next platform. Now this platform is also amazing. Okay, so you can see right here, get paid now for installing apps. All right, installing apps. All right, get paid now for playing games and get paid now for taking surveys. You can see right here, earn up to $8.30 per offer. 108 available offers right now. Okay, that means I have over 108 available offers right now. Now this platform pays you to do simple tasks, signing up, like installing apps, playing games, and all of that. These are what you love doing, right? And you can make money by doing what you love doing. Simple, amazing. These are companies right here that brings jobs for this platform to do, and they bring these jobs to us, which is the users, or which are the testers, to do for them. And this is a Netflix company. And this is a Netflix company. This is a TikTok company, and this is a gaming company right here that bring jobs for them. This is what this company do. They test their platform. They test their newly launched app or their newly launched features by using this platform as a medium before they launch it out to the public. If you love playing game, guys, if you are the type that love playing game like me, bro, you are going to be making a lot of money from this platform. Because imagine you playing games and you are making money. Instead of playing games and wasting your data and wasting your time, you can be playing games and making some good money from here. So guys, it's a big win for you. You are doing what you love and you are getting paid for it. Now yours reach level 10 and you are getting paid $8.30 just to reach level 10. And this is a TikTok account. If you sign up, you have $2, right? Simple as ABC. So guys, you can make good money from this platform by just doing what you love. Is that not amazing? It's super amazing. Super amazing. So to get an account with them, come to sign up right here. You sign up an account, a free account, and you start making money from it. As you can see, choose an offer. Take your pick from the task on the end page. We list the best offers from companies who want to advertise their apps, surveys, and products. As you can see, from companies who want to advertise their apps and products. Simple. These are companies, these are us, banners, Soft, and all of that. These are companies who bring their platform and their games to this platform for their user to test. So you are making money by doing what you love. As you can see our 44,000 reviews on Trustpilot. And this platform has more than 4-star reviews. They have 4.5-star reviews. That means it just remaining half to be 5-star. That means it's nearly perfect. So guys, this is a making money platform for you to start making money right now. I mean right now. All right, they have over 4.5-star reviews. This is amazing, meaning this platform is paying handsomely. Best ways to earn: play games, complete offers, join surveys. As you can see, we are the #1 site to make money. Here is why. This is simple, and with testing games, testing apps, and website, guys, this is simple as ABC. The next platform is called Timebox. Now Timebox is a platform I've done a video for in this channel. So that video I shared with you various ways you can make money from Timebox. Now Timebox is an amazing platform. You get paid by doing almost same thing you are doing in those other platforms, but this place you do even more. As you can see, get paid to post on Facebook, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps, complete micro tasks, and answer surveys. Timebox is an amazing way, and to tell you, Timebox is paying real time. All right, real time. They pay in cryptocurrency and they pay in PayPal. All right, and the best part about this platform is that you have daily bonuses. Now you can see right here, say each day we run a competition where the top 100 earners win a night bonuses. That means if you are among the top 100 earners in this platform, you are going to be getting an extra bonus, which is an extra cash for yourself. Guys, super amazing, right? Start earning instantly. All right, no approval process required for you. All right, we have a referral program so you can earn commission on everyone you refer. Weekly payout, we pay everyone weekly with 6 different payment methods. So guys, super amazing. Friendly support staff, we need help. Our friendly support staff, we answer all your questions. Don't wait for days for reply. We are here to help you earn money as much as possible. To further prove the legitimacy of this platform to you, let's go over to Trustpilot and let's see if this platform is legit. Now if you come to Trustpilot right now, they have over 4.5 star reviews, guys. 4.5 star reviews, that's almost 5 stars. All right, and they have over 2,395 reviews. All right, and as you can see, excellent. All right, excellent. This is nearly perfect, guys. Nearly perfect. It's a verified company, so you are good to go. So guys, these are the 3 amazing platforms you can start making money right now by testing website, testing apps, and testing games. Guys, I believe you find value. All right, slap that like button right now. Slap it. Thank you very much. All right, and share this video to someone you know that it will be valuable to them, because you have friends out there who are looking for ways to make money. Share this with them and they are going to thank you for it. All right, so go ahead and share this video to them right now, and click on that share button. It's down there, share button, and you can share via WhatsApp, via Facebook, or you can just copy the link and share it to them, and they are going to super thank you for it. So guys, subscribe to this channel if you have not done so, because every week I drop more amazing content around the ways to make money online. Having diverse streams of income is very important in these very times we have. So guys, thanks again for watching. I believe you find value. If you want to learn more amazing ways to make money, I have put together all these videos on a playlist for you to have access to them and start watching right now. Now if you check the end screen of this video, you are going to be having access to those videos. Click on it right now and have access to diverse ways to start making money right now. So guys, I'm going to be seeing you in the next one. Go ahead and try it out, and you can do this as a side hustle. You can make money from this every single day, and you are free to share this content to your friends and family, and it's going to be a help to them. All right, now the goal is to make more money online, so I put together all the videos on how you can make money online on a playlist. Click here right now to access these videos.
I got night